Hello everyone, and thank you so much for stopping by. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing my first video with the Play by Sephora box, and this is the one right here. And I've been getting it for about 4 months now, and I didn't want to make videos yet just because I wasn't sure how I felt about it. I still don't know how I feel about it, but I figured I'd make a video. If you guys are interested in picking it up yourselves, maybe this will convince you to get it, to not get it. But I figured I'd make a video and show you guys what we got for the month of January. I know that each box is different. Not everybody gets the same things. It's curated a little bit differently for each person, but this is the box that I'm getting, so I'm going to show you what's inside. If you guys are not familiar with what this is a box that Sephora curates for you, and it is once a month, and then it's $10 a month. You usually get it like on the 3rd week of the month, and like I said, it comes with a few different things. I think it comes with like 5 to 6 luxe size products, so that's why I'm not sure if I'm gonna continue getting it, just because usually when they're tiny little products, I don't ever use them. I usually use full size products. So far, my favorite subscription box is BoxyCharm. So this is what the inside of the box will look like. It's gonna come with a little baggie inside, and it's gonna come with a little pamphlet that will tell you what the theme is. I gotta say that I'm a little disappointed because they used to come with a little baggie that was different each month, but they stopped doing it and they started putting these plastic bags inside, which is okay, but I would have liked to have had some bags. Anyways, so this is what one of the sides will look like of the box, and it says Beauty Scope Year 2019, and it has like little things saying for each sign. I am an Aquarius, and what does it say for the Aquarius? It says Aquarians just want to live their best free-spirited life. That non-conformist attitude means you're more likely to start trends that follow them. Lean into your creative side and you'll be rocking next year's must-have hairstyles before anyone else. Sure. And then it says your beauty future, and it's going to show you kind of what's included inside the box. So again, it comes in like a little Ziploc baggie like this, and this is what it looks like. It's cute. I mean, it's usable if you want to travel and carry things that might spill. So the first thing that's in here is by Marajo, and it says that it's a hydrating shampoo and conditioner set that nurtures with botanical oils and rich butters for luxury, healthy looking hair. And it hydrates hairs, eliminates flyaways, adds volume and shine. So we'll see how this works once I use it. The next thing that I see in here is by Good Genes, and it's their lactic acid treatment. It is a clarifying formula that improves the appearance of dark spots, fine lines, and wrinkles. So this is what the little bottle will look like. It's pretty cute. Again, I don't like luxe size things just because they usually get lost in all my stuff and I never use them, but I'm gonna try to use them and see what I think about it. Up next, I see this Lala Retro Whipped Cream by Drunk Elephant, so that's pretty exciting. This is a rich whipped moisturizer that nurtures dry, dull skin and delivers a dose of hydration. And that's pretty exciting because I do have dry skin, so I always go for things that are more moisturizing. And let's see what cream feels like. It's definitely a thicker cream, so that's going to be pretty cool. And it comes with 0.17 ounces, so this will probably last me like 2-3 times, so I'll be able to test it out and see if I enjoy it or not. Up next, there is a Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask by Belief. That it's a replenishing mask that hydrates and revives dry, dull skin while you sleep. You're supposed to leave it overnight and you're supposed to rinse it off in the morning, and it says to use about a quarter size, so this probably will be good for like 2 times, so we'll see how that works out. Then this is something I'm excited about. This is the Blender Cleanser Solid Pro, a charcoal infused soap that removes excess product, dirt, and oil from makeup tools. And I actually really enjoy these little bar round soaps by Beauty Blender. This is what I use to clean all my blenders, and I continue to rebuy them. I know a lot of people use like shampoos and they use like bar soaps and stuff like that, but I personally really like how these clean my beauty blenders, or not just beauty blenders, just blenders in general. I've used like dish soap and I don't feel like it removes everything. I feel like these ones do a little bit more of a better job, but that might just be in my head. That's just how I feel. I don't know. Could just be going crazy. And then last but not least, in the bag, we got this little cutie right here, which I'm excited about. This is by Bite Beauty, and it's their matte creme lip crayon. It's a high pigmented lip crayon in a dusty mauve shade with a matte finish. So I've heard these are supposed to be really good, but I've actually never picked one up myself. So this is what the shade looks like right here. And it's definitely more of a mauve-y shade, but I feel like it's very versatile, so you'll be able to use it with different looks. So I'm excited to have this. All right, so those are all the products that I got in my box for the month. I must say that the ones that I'm excited about are gonna be these three right here, which are the Drunk Elephant Lala Retro Whipped Cream, the Blender Cleanser Solid Pro, and then the Bite Beauty Little Crayon. These are the ones that I'm excited to use the most out of the 6 products. Other than that, that is going to be it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. That way I know to make more. Let me know what you guys picked up in your box, what you guys thought about the products that I received. But other than that, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.